is Mandy and I'm from the Groesbeck Branch Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make some egg shakers at home using plastic eggs and objects you can find lying around the house. I've collected a variety of objects to put inside my eggs. I chose some paper clips, cotton balls, rice, dried beans, coins, and some beads. If you don't have plastic eggs at home, you can use a variety of other objects, such as a mint container, cardboard box, a plastic tube, or even 2 paper cups taped together. Ask your child what they think each object will sound like, and then test it out together. Which item do you think would be louder, the cotton ball or the rice? You can also close up one of the eggs and ask them to guess what they think it is inside based on the sound. What could that be? It's the dry beans. Of course, my favorite part about making these shaker eggs is shaking along to songs. Singing really helps with language development. It slows down language and it breaks words down into smaller parts. Typically, each syllable gets its own note, and hearing the individual parts of a word especially comes in handy as children learn to sound out words while reading. You can notice this in some of the more popular children's songs. For example, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star," or "Old MacDonald had a farm." But one of my favorite shaker songs is called "Salt and Pepper." It has some great rhyming words and identifies different body parts, so I'm going to teach it to you now. Salt and pepper, jam and bread, put your shakers on your head. Salt and pepper, buttons and bows, put your shakers on your nose. Salt and pepper, birds and bees, put your shakers on your knees. Salt and pepper, bacon and eggs, put your shakers on your legs. Put your shakers on your head, oh yeah. Put your shakers on your nose, oh yeah. Put your shakers on your knees, oh yeah. Put your shakers on your legs, oh yeah. Then shake, 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 shake all around. Shake your body up and down. Shake, 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 shake all around. Shake your body up and down. Good job. Let's keep going with that. Salt and pepper, paper and paste, put your shakers on your waist. Salt and pepper, table and chair, put your shakers on your hair. Salt and pepper, fish and chips, put your shakers on your hips. Salt and pepper, potatoes and meat, put your shakers on your feet. Put your shakers on your waist, oh yeah. Put your shakers on your hair, oh yeah. Put your shakers on your hips, oh yeah. Put your shakers on your feet, oh yeah. Then shake, 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 shake all around. Shake your body up and down. Shake, 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 shake all around. Shake your body up and down. A little faster this time. Shake, 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 shake all around. Shake your body up and down. Shake, 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 shake all around. Shake your body up and down. Good job. Try shaking along to some of your favorite songs at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.